Tractor update. That piston or cylinder I rebuilt, and the one on the other side. Then come back here, and this pad and the other side I rebuilt those cylinders, and there's two long cylinders, one on each side. I rebuilt those, and I rebuilt that one up there, and fixed a starting issue over here, and I think I got a fuel leak fixed. Gonna change the oil in it and then give it a test drive. Yay! Well, got the oil changed on the old tractor. My neighbor's on his way over to put it through its paces. I know how to drive them, but I've never used the implements. So he has his whole life, and eventually I'll know how to use them. Make sure they're working right. My neighbor running the backhoe. Pulled out all my stumps so I stopped tripping over them. I'm a happy camper. Got some dirt leveled up, poured over there.